take movie tickets. You'll need a ticket box and some tickets. First, someone will come up to you and you say, "Hi." "Hi." Then you take their ticket and tear it in half. You put this part inside of the box. Then you tell them what theater you're in. You're in theater 6. Then you give them back the ticket. Let's try it again. Tear the ticket